Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Messages on your iPhone to delete texts quickly and safely. Swipe left on a conversation to reveal delete, or open the thread and long press a specific bubble to reveal options. Tap More, then select individual messages and tap the trash icon to delete them permanently from your device. To remove an entire conversation, swipe left on the conversation list and tap Delete. Remember that deleted texts can remain in iCloud or encrypted backups until you remove those backups too. Open Google Messages, Samsung Messages, or your default Android SMS app to begin. Long press a message bubble to select single texts, or press and hold a conversation to select an entire thread. After selecting items, tap the trash icon or choose Delete from the Overflow menu to remove them from the device. For bulk deletion, you select all inside the thread, then delete. Be aware that Google Drive backups and manufacturer cloud backups can still store copies until you delete those backups. Deleting a message from your phone does not always remove it from carrier records or recipient devices. Many carriers and servers retain text copies for legal or operational reasons for days or weeks. Some apps offer unsend or edit features that remove messages only when used before the recipient views them. Screenshots and forwarded copies cannot be removed by deleting your original message. To minimize traces, delete device backups, remove cloud backups, and contact your carrier to inquire about record retention and deletion options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.